guys should not take that Ekperima serious. You know, people that know me on this platform or people that are familiar with how I do my thing can attest to the fact that the last thing I can come out on social media to do is to give false information. If for any update in Nadi Hosho, I may post here. Ndi bido follow him or ndi follow him during Oge Matthias or how I've been doing my thing on social media. The last thing nge post or nge update lies. I always say it. I know I'm at that level of to come on social media even at us maybe people like him or you know whatever. The only thing I can do in any topic or any discussion is to be a bit biased, but I must say the truth. You know. Now, so like I said, all these things, Bonnie son, post or whatever. After everything, I will say the real things and how everything happened. Imana onwe ka oku se de na boy hine ka ya na eku. You know, till things take each like into places before I'll give my full and general analysis on what happened, how onosime money ne sega owe na agwa m na Ekperima na akpa Ebonyi son si na oge no Abuja, oge ano ha Abuja. But maybe they are always quick to trying to buga on social media. Because the truth of everything is that they don't have the power. That is just the thing. Chamaka Meridian, Happy New Year, I greet you. But almost on certain things, Ageku, when the Nagaheku for the meantime. But later, Ebu wire straight up. Share this video for me. The person actually address Governor Eziokwu. I don't like an adult on especially when it comes to social media. He kuru with full chest. If you see na somehow we mess go up, it was a key cover. And the people like Governor Eziokwu, if people like Governor Eziokwu, oh problem I know when I Ndigbo today. You see people like Governor Eziokwu, they are the problem. Now if I name how is boom mad na had the that you know nazo. Most of them have sex skeleton in their cupboard. Someone shared his life to me yesterday, and I took my time to, you know, watch I But one of the things, a lot of things caught my attention, but the major thing caught my attention, about Evangelist Ebukobi. He might not call his name, but I am on Agua. Let me play this video to you for you guys to listen.
Right now, do you know what they are doing? They are trying to puff up shoulder. I can tell you, do you know what they are doing right now? Do you know what they are doing? They are trying to puff up shoulder. I can tell you one person who stood with microphone and said that people, many of those people you see commenting, please Ndigbo, they are not there because they want to stand for what is right. They are there because they are speaking from their ministry. This is the gospel truth. And Ogeti she's one of those people. They feed from that table.
Just listen.
Please, right as of today, the same man who said that he knows nothing about Ogechi, does not know anything Ogechi does, and they always defend that he's too busy in the mountain and all that. He's busy fighting for cause, putting me on how to free Ogechi. I'm telling you that are things I can't say online because right now I realize that if I do like this, it goes viral. So because of my mistake yesterday, please forgive me and leave me and this person.
You go beg, tire.
Leave me and this lady. Let me mechanize her. The nude pictures of women she showed on social media.
We are coming to that. I guess you guys grab the statement to make it there. That no way somebody will go on a Oji phone or say no any claim no on social, they active on social media, no on a mountain. But now the person they marry call on how to free Ogechi. I don't know if some of you guys understand this voice. Wait, let me play it again before I can proceed to other things. Just listen. Imana, all man no mercy go up. He's not trying to manipulate the minds of Ndigbo, Ndi IPOB in general. Instead of him to own his I'm trying to watch my words on this Facebook. Instead of him to own his wrong statement or make it out there in public. And that man, surely Ndimo Obodo is not happy with him. And I believe him na ofi we go the heat. Owe potana iho na emene ihe na damage control. But he geji afuna a daft person call. The more on make the damage control, the more on make more mistakes. You know, let me play this voice again so that you guys will hear it once again before I can proceed.
Do you know what they are doing right now? Do you know what they are doing? They are trying to puff up shoulder. I can tell you one person who stood with microphone and said that people, many of those people you see commenting, please Ndigbo, they are not there because they want to stand for what is right. They are there because they are speaking from their ministry. This is the gospel truth. And Ogechi she's one of those people. They feed from that table.
Just listen.
Please, right as of today, the same man who said that he knows nothing about Ogechi, does not know anything Ogechi does, and they always defend that he's too busy in the mountain and all that. He's busy fighting for cause, putting means on how to free Ogechi. I'm telling you, there are things I can't say online because right now I realize that if I do like this, it goes viral.
If they bore you well, say it.
So because of my mistake yesterday, please forgive me and leave me and this person. Leave me and this lady. Let me mechanize her. The nude pictures of women she showed on social media.
Let me stop it here. He gave a man at this guy. Boajo Madi. Alma Foti as a manipulator. Now, switch go who about nude. Ijuse Governor Eziokwu, if at all no nwe nude ndi Ogechi posturu oge nwakwa. O posturu nke nwunye Governor Eziokwu. Ke business onwe. Basaru. Because I believe that ihe gbasara nude a ha na-ekwu bụ na Ogechi na-eme matchmaking. Oh, I want to make matchmaking, makasi made that in asage kurota, asage norana, asage menka. Maybe he's doing all those things in a funny way. You know, I believe that is what he's talking about. But even though no we can do cigar or no do munye Governor Eziokwu ke post on social media. Now, if you go back to that life, because on a plea is Ndigbo to forgive him na that statement to make. No, the guy lied. It's just that I don't have the time to be playing his long statement on that life. This guy lied. No way who go on Oji. We say na Ogechi they raised in the IPOB fund. They made the IPOB fundraising. Nioku Noji account ya. Where receive wego kuchie. Thank God for social media. Second thing again that caught my attention is that Governor Eziokwu lied that no matter camera no yanihu. Let me play this video for you to see. You watch that their video arrest ya.
But because where's my phone? I need to
Watch your video now.
I'm not running. I need to talk to my I need to talk to my why would I run? I need to talk to my let me talk to my let me use my phone. Where is it? I need to use my now. Guys, I'm going to that problem.
Now watch you here. Watch you singing on 4 camera. Don't worry, let me go back. If you take a close at this video, Igafona even speak Governor Eziokwu na camera na reflect. And they watch ihu ya Igamano the guy ji camera ko face when they kuya ho neku. I don't know why he's lying. If you watch that video, only know into film, like I want know into film in production, my hand or camera angle, like ebe camera si abia. Unyo ona jiri camera na video, imagebe that camera si abia. But I will still post a video. I will also post some of the pictures. Iga for direct that Governor Eziokwu or Governor Okwuase is speaking direct to the camera. All man no way in a video ni anya straight up. And the main reason we make that statement is that all man no ihe wokuya. Those vigilante group happen we bia a pick interest to ginger push your Ogechi, you know. He was chose who make that statement. Kahabia say, oh yeah, buy moto, buy J Park, and na baze, you know, na majas everywhere. Or immediately who make that statement. Onya and erase in the iPod bego. You know, nka had the enough. Or say that this woman will go a lot of people. Na southeast. Okay, let's just say na Ireziego bukwa a slip of tongue. How about that? Now this woman will get a lot of people na southeast. He didn't end there. He further stated that no way evidence of it. Man they buy cake and they buy. Why any brain on the quiz you? Or put on live video na yo okorobada or see no Ogechi send the nude or see no Ogechi menka or see no Ogechi menka or since your phone a plan ha gasa and the no mess go up. On actually no you see a cover up. You is now drag give and the same Kobe. The same governor is you putano last time. See na amam kosi no siwe na no conversation Father Mbaka na evangelist Kobe. The same him last time. Amam kuse potasi no na no call one reverend father awekpo one reverend awekpo onya asia na dama asia na nka. I don't care. Mexico blog. Ogechi ogburu onye nke gi. Si Ogechi gburu ọtụtụ mmadụ. Ogburu mpagi ka ogburu mmagi. You see, for me, whatever Ogechi did in the past is not my business. If you say no o mere anything in the past, it's none of my business. The only thing I'm interested on is this present thing. On a saga we bido because oge ahụ J Park na Governor Eziokwu na oge ahụ ha na-akụzi ọ na-afọ olubeghị out. Ha mahụ na ihe Ogechi mere in the past. Mexico blog. Oge ahụ ma J Park yo ma governor ma ha ncha niile na-arapọ. Oge ahụ akụzi ọ nkada emenite ha na-egburu ha azụ na-edugharị ha. None of them remembered na Ogechi send the nude. Right? Because some of you, none of them onye chete no Ogechi send the nude or no Ogechi mere nka no Ogechi gburu nke Ogechi boro oketa. Like I said, many of you amaho the maintain nagan. Many of you amaho the hanako. Una amaho the hakolu kocha TC everywhere. Now you're for petition, now you're for everything. Because Hamana, all this their nonsense saga. Hajiwe Jebura arrest here, who do anything. As far as I'm concerned, all J Park na Governor Meru Ogechi arrest. Forget one kind of signal Osi Fedra, Esinanka, on the Hakulu Cortina the case. Kihini and Eme yesterday, somebody called me from their own camp. You know? And he said many things. They are the main architect of this whole arrest. Forget the other say power is above, federal this one, federal that one. Okay, power is above, Webia. Governor Eziokwu no na muti and it. Yes, yes, greatest, greatest. Come on, I just told you. Let's say na power si above Webia. Obo hanwa media direct. We name ye ne celebrate ku onye umaduru deri nwa mama. You know? All I manipulate some of you, they can manipulate somebody like me. And couple with the fact that na oni ihe niile asi aga. Ona akwa ka ọ na-eru ahịa aka. Ona akwa ka anyị na-efoli ya. It's just that Nobu Hine Kayeku. Governor Eziokwu is a great liar. And somebody like him, the problem I know when I need Buena J Park. Okay, kitakunu chetene. What of all? Wait, you una feeling na some of you come we maru activity Ogechi on social media. Unu wana sing Ogechi jime ikeni ome honka o send ya una na che kodem nunu kam we maru ka activities Ogechi swedi bido on social media. I started social media, this Facebook precisely 2009. Ogem bido Facebook. E bido Facebook ka tuna amam ko unyo na siwe kwado. Amam ko unyo na siwe bido. If you want to talk about the SND nude, there are a lot of ladies. Hana about them. It's just that I don't interested in about starting home wine or whatever Hana made dead. A lot of ladies Hana same Ogechi na about them. Hana present the things about her. Yamane send the things about them. Why is Governor Eziokwu or those of you now saying that okay, up by a lot of people, opus a lot of people? Why are they bringing it now? Why you bro now have the abacha saga? I see J Park will take a check eba kukuni na suebido. Why then? Uga hana loko ne exchange na back off more of my na make up business. Why J na Governor Eziokwu I cheto Ogechi no wendi ne tufu no doso ha. Or no ne were wanted on this one or this one eme ho. You know? Keta asị ka ọ na-asịzi na cover up ejidi ebo ma ihe ọ na-emezi ije ọsọ oku ya aka ibu why na ọkpọkọ evangelist Ebuka Biafra kpọrọ ya n'isi na ọ na-eme call ka efirie Ogechi gị na-atụ ya ụjọ ọka ịkpọ ya afa si na onye asị na ọ dịghị anọ na social media ọ dịghị eme nke ọ dị if they born in papa well ya mee ọnụ kpọọ ya afa. You know, if you go back to that video again, Kone claim na mahon eji camera, oh no man eji camera, okay, make statement, make you ihe gbasara ihe ndị iPod then, DOS then, oh hamakasi we me ya then, of which na at some point ezigbo contamination no na between the group, onye ọ na kewasi anwe group nke ya. So whatever Ogechi said or did them with her own group, abro ihe ga-ebute kita. And the kedoge ojebro Nigerian police na a treaty matabasaro IPOB. If at all na oge nwekosi on the police on the ihe abihege I settle the matter. You know? I want to chonde one day ihena. Oh my boy je for hana. Oh my honey, oh my plan. It's just that na plan how work was. Oh yeah, but hane zuzu like this. And he knows that the only statement Oga drop onwe wait. If you can't make Eru Abuja menka, Eruku Abuja onweku ihe ha ejete. Manoma, no that statement you go yemoku ya ege ya ntị, especially Indianos nogasino office, Indiano uniform, mana ndị ihe ya ndị ụmụ ihe some group just so na agbasa everywhere na buy. I'm trying to watch my words. You know? Oma no mention Hana Onya a part of this people. A pick a very interest on her. That's why you make that statement. Or that's not a slip of tongue, no mistake. On the other way, in a person in the iPod na habo. No how an ebu mad. You are trying to confirm no how the what are that calling it now? In charge of hearing name na buy. Why could you make that statement? On a raise, on a mere fundraising. Added that no go many people na buy. That means not their own raise the fundraising, but you bunde mad na buy. Igbo Channels TV. No press that matter. Ejo. Leave that matter. That one after. Ka I saw to go do things. After. Ka I get kusai den ka. He knows that no mention Hana. I otagi hanu gechi. I po bebendi uojino. Nagi pick very interesting, and that is exactly what happened. Go and watch the video. Unya made this thing. Unya go to mad in the southeast. Age evidence. What is it? The evidence, Age? Ina yosi biku. You go explain. If you govern Eziokwu, obido be more explanation. Okay, make it explain or like okay, make it explain where. All these people will problem. I win a southeast. If somebody like this can come out and make this statement in public, can you think he making us? Obu no need do na ge making such statement, or let's just say na like he said no mistake or whatever. If you can be bold enough, Kire your fellow Igbo person like this. Niru ndi ha. Kezi ho geku nazu. All people like this una Igbo ade homma. All people like this una so many innocent people. E delete sigo ha. Gina made mwe obere okwu na-eriju ha afọ. Ịchọ ihe ga-atag ya n'isi ka ewepụ ya. Ọ ihe problem anyị na-enwe na Igbo today. Mana ọ pụta ọ na-amachari ifiri n'onwe ihe nọ ya n'ime ifiri na ndị awụ ndị ngọgbala Chineke zọkwara unu ọbahụ na oche na ọ na-azọrọ unu local government chairman na beginning dị ka ọ na-azọrọ unu. Ọsọzi unu ọ pụtakwa ọzọ unu eji etoeri akwụkwọ oge finish unu pata. I don't know the reason some people cannot regard that governor Eziokwu as ezigbo mmadụ as unye like the good for the society. All the same governor Eziokwu wuru phone kpọọ Ijuwa na 3 days ago. Na-echi Ijuwa warning Ijuwa should never put his picture or mention his name on his page. Na ya try kwani again in his life. That means obazie n'office onwe ka o si mehe garo na unu nwawo ndị ngọkpa local government unu ahịa asaghị nwa ọnụ si ya imete ekwe nka oke ka nka asiga ọlọkụ unu ncha niile ozugbo na tuchiki. So he should own his statement. You see that statement to make it, yeah, oh no, yeah, no, nothing like the more he's trying to give excuses or the more he's trying to do the damage control, the more he look more stupid. Because he's critically clear, everything is there. You said you wasn't aware that the camera is there. Meanwhile, you are looking towards the camera, you are watching the guy direct. This woman is ego. Eyeglass again, the camera now reflect from eyeglass. Don't worry, I have a lot of videos here. I will post the video after this live video. Just watch this video. Always taking off her camera. In a half camera and an eyeglass here. Just calm down and watch your video. If this man is full of lies. Now watch it. Now watch the video. If you have here, when you taking off for camera, in a half, 1.5 1 year. 1.5 1 year. Who is still looking at? Why making those statements? 1.5 years in for camera. So you guys are not seeing his eyes. Near glass, your phone will reflect. That phone will reflect there. All the same person now on the iPod. When they make a statement, and I become no man a camera no there no guy who such thing. Or when you see a kujo a loni but 1 year. When you see menka, when you see menka. All man cannot cast go. Okay, that means without camera, he make a such statement. Because ununiame saga a few weeks ago. Unuwana si ano stripper no ya burumpia. Omu ya wurimbe. Oborumpia police. Yamana fire kunu back. Obogi escon. Obo bele face uje park. Onye opontu. Ogusea bi wunu na nke ikpeazua. Simply because no na Zion follow out of favor. Unchoka na enyu 2 million be 3 million. Akwekwochiri una follow out of favor. Je pa ka maba gbaku kisi afa mmanya ha na eme. Na choka ajiri abutuo business ako. Una na through tantrums to Zion ministry, Zion members back to back. Ogechi we semba. You guys should stop. Ununi ebruzie di saga. Una fuzie no defeat we good. Una echetezie no ne post to bu nude. Una echetezie no na dey go on the iPod or whatever. Une chitezi on certain things. Oh, I need to see na or boss lady. Ne derum nonsense messages. Na edo a picture oge na zone 5 abi zone 30 na no they wanted. And I call me here na bakamoto. I got all derum that all saying derum that nonsense again. Thunder a fire. I don't care about whatever you guys see no game before, whatever. It's not my business. All mputago also go mputa today see no ge wanene. See no ge uderi. I must still speak on behalf of her. Because this recent issue, we know how it started. If unke recent here, I am a kusibido. Nke mero genwa 5 years ago, 4 years ago, 10 years ago. It's not my business. And you guys cannot use it to nail her now. You know? Oya ona ani Igbo na agbahara today. Because onye chọrọ ikwu eziokwu. Nobody want to say the truth anymore. Watch onye tụrụ asị na video ya si na ofuho camera, o na camera no there, no na camera no there. He can make such statement. Now watch na ani ya. Akuna afu, we see no that for camera. Ira have camera can reflect na eyeglass ya. Ina kora abuki. Now watching. Oh ya turn ko again. O si no for camera, una have ya na ani ya. I just made video editing in details. Now watching here. That's not for camera. Oh no, my camera no there. You make such statement. You see? Oh, full statement you make. Kuji kwaroge, kuji like kwaroge, kwaina subu. Ko make nisi evangelist ebukubina indirectly. The evangelist ebukubina make call since ka hapoge. If I'm not mistaken, yesterday was Sunday program. The ministry hold the program. On a program or program call on made the call. For those of you not join now.
They are doing. They are trying to puff up soda. Do you know what they are doing right now? Do you know what they are doing? They are trying to puff up soda. I can tell you one person who stood with microphone and said that people, many of those people you see commenting, please Ndigbo, they are not there because they want to stand for what is right. They are there because they are speaking from their ministry. This is the gospel truth. And Ogechi she's one of those people. They feed from that table.
Akoko. You watch on Right,
as of today, the same man who said that he knows nothing about Ogechi, does not know anything Ogechi does, and they always defend that he's too busy in the mountain and all that. He's busy sorting for calls, putting means on how to free Ogechi. I'm telling you, there are things I can't say online because I realize that if I do like this, it goes viral.
Say it. Say it.
So because of my mistake yesterday, please forgive me and leave me and this person. Leave me and this lady. Let me mechanize her. The nude pictures of women she showed on social media. On social media Ndigbo. Did you see me share that video? I have conscience. Do you know what they are doing right now?
Nobody should allow all this is emotional blackmail to get over them. any of you chore piawe azu. Piawane azu. That is just the thing. This is the only way a lot of people will learn. Abo onye je mekai kobia odi emotional blackmail so unu ncha una akopolia. You know? This emotional blackmail for me can never work. Nobody should allow this nonsense on I call here to work. Oh my whole mail. You just wanna marry like this, you just the heat now pile it up to him. You could imagine yesterday was Sunday. Obono here na minister hold her program on Sunday. As you okay, no way they call Eziokwu ko. But yesterday was Sunday. Evangelist Ebuka no na program. Ke berima se no na-eme call no assault ke wopụta oge. You dey mean na call divert ya attention mande iPob mande ndị nke si na Jesus Christ egbugo ha mande you know like confusion, a life of a manipulator. All these people they live. If for the if you JPAC and you guys should know that now. If you owner Governor Eziokwu name or they put out there or let's say opinion, yana JPAC we are together. Take it or leave it. Phone ejuwe video ebe oge abia made the arrest. Oh boy JPAC video the thing. Oh boy JPAC video there. The phone is JPAC's phone. Happy hana ashe soon a lot of bloggers be there. A lot of bloggers be there. Habiari fu president kona habiari fu ifu Buhari. Who invited them? No bro hama wo gauge choka up on a camera. Amako si me I wait her phone. They knew what they did. Someone like me, I'm too intelligent in terms of all this social media matter. It's just that he whooped my time. Tianya like whooped everything. Make all on your name. These people are the major problem I ain't when I'm Igbo. Or people like this. Phone AG made the recording all phone because if you watch all he broke on a video, can me check the video, all he broke on a son JPAC and Abramoto if you even video and let me play this video again. It is not look as safe. I'm capping.
But because I never knew it.
Let me play the video of this arrest. Now watch the camera is so good.
I need to talk to my. Why would I run?
The camera is so good. Now watch it.
Let me talk to my. Let me use my phone. Where is it? I need to use my now. Guy, man, what the hell, Baba? Okay, what the phone on ya? What the phone? Let's go use them. How do you have evidence? This person. They won't come and use them. Let's go.
Now watch your camera nation. Watch one on the camera nation. But watch your camera by Kawagafi. I put no post where sharp. Cable camera number. Don't worry, let me fast forward it. Iganu post where sharp. Then he watch his only camera called by JPAC in a moto. Man has again on the bloggers. Bia. We bia video ya. Bloggers bia press conference. Habia the cover presidential speeches. Habia how do I even put it? Unna koraboki. Watch this video from here. Let me go back. Can you post with this thing now? Share this video. Help me share this live. Share this live. Because actually, all these people on Ayobiko on a plead should also see this video, man, on Asiasi. If you didn't know on Ayo, no mistake, Ndigbo biko, happen ya me, no when oko goji choko oko doku nkaji we or makwa na camera no, ihe ni now, foul. Oya line usumba. Governor Eziokwu line, in fact, change enough ya to Linus Mba. Watch from here. Get until you know okay, I say post to video now. Then ONS a camera abide J Park in a moto. You know, post to a sharp. You watch your camera guy, Yaba, or Moto J Park. Then what you need say?
Because I never knew if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the.
What you need na yo? No maho na camera no there. No wo no ma. Or ya complete statement ya. If you know Linus Mba, or you gonna be here today. No wo no ma. Ni ho chori ku na oge forged account. Jenara ego werie. No wo no ma na camera no there. Oga he make a statement no na on omeru ndi iPod fundraise. Oga he make the statement na na this woman ebugu many people na southeast. Oga he make the statement na no evidence on a kora book. Chineke be here after there. Watch this video. It's enough for camera.
But because I never knew if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the statement without.
Ne camera come here, Nanya. And have your eyeglass here.
Let me play this video again. Supposed to direct. But because I never knew if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the statement without shaking. Let me play this video again.
Now watch.
Supposed to direct. But because I never knew if I had
known
that cameras
camera
was on me, I would have completed the statement without
ne camera
shaking.
Nanya. And have your eyeglass here. He was talking to the camera direct. On our office camera, we're not pointing. On a camera, we're not. People who know into filming, got what he had now. We had a camera angle. People like Igbo channels. You should know better. Or DOP KO. People like Igbo channels should know what I meant by camera angle. Who know on any camera? If half if video only what imagine the camera angle siabia. It's critically clear here. But he was lying. Let me play it once again.
Supposed to direct. But because I never knew if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the statement without shaking. Let me play this video again.
No, eyeglass here. Be looking at his
But
page.
because I never knew if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have
On a
completed
na
the
camera na
statement
point yaka somewhere.
without shaking.
You see, he's still looking at the camera.
Let me play this video again. Supposed to direct.
Just be watching the
But
video.
because I never knew if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the statement without shaking. Let me play this video again. Supposed to direct.
These people are the major problem I know when I'm Igbo. onwe some certain things in chọrọ ikwu, but ama m na nkwuo ya na ọ ga-add salt to the injury. Hejegoje kuluko a lot of people they petition. Me a lot of people who claim na high white. Let me just put it that way. A lot of people who white me equal ya kita ndi otu ha ebewa akwa. Sege gini. You know? I made a video yesterday. Ịma nke ahụ ya na ndị IPOB na Ndigbo ka ọ ka na-ayọ biko na ha gbara no o ji mee mistake o ji na ọ ya nwamazi ihe ọ na-eme explain. But I made a video yesterday directing it to Dr. Ugochukwu Njaka bụ the husband to Ogechi Njaka. That statement, a military personnel, a doctor in profession here in America. You know the implication for someone to come out in public stating with full confidence that your wife now support a particular group, that now your wife go many people na Southeast. No go many people na South. You know clear evidence to Dr. Ugochukwu Njaka. Obo nega happen with that statement. Then I don't know. It's a heavy and I don't even know what I used to qualify it. Ebo Ogechi Njaka. Now what they are telling me, a lot of people, Ogechi did this, Ogechi did that, opposed to Nka, opposed. That is not my business. After all, Ogechi post nudugi. Ke hijegi de we niya nudugi. Gini ki hijegi de we wuru nudugi niya we post to. It's none of my business. And don't go do you Ogechi post nudos ya. Onya huje me ya arrest. Onya aje kaya ni aku. We are not berima. If you know we Ogechi me gembo, Mozo police station, go there. Adebu Madna police. If you want to sue her or whatever, go there. You make your entry. Onya megi he diuna. Ono na Nigeria na. Gena hakuya and not governor. Iji na cause wari confusion. Opu one post to no doso nde omuwanyi Igbo. Nke nwunye go no die. O post nke nwunye gi governor Eziokwu. Onwe ihe ọzọ na afu ya na bele face je park ofu. Now this last saga opia hazu. Onwezi ihe ọzọ na afu ofu. From Masi onye nke ni wo tike ke cheki iwe tipia. Ase na nwunye ya na roboru akwampe. Picture na video jukwere everywhere as an evidence. Ke ihe na eweru gi iwe. Gini ko na eweru gi iwe. Ogusia only angle onwe. Ane koluko akpọ ndị be Ifeanyi Oba asi denu petition ke wote denu petition akpọ ndị nka asi denu petition hey aye make arrest this and that one unche na from that una camp na adi me enweta update ufi na camp una na me enweta update kita ginwa governor Eziokwu is claiming no ginwa mere arrest. J-Pack is claiming no see from federal. It goes na two of you the confused. When they claim no federal kosi, give one they claim no give one me. Meanwhile, two of you are the one jubilating. Yes, come on, I said it, capture that life. You know? Again, why would J-Pack orders from federal? Man, ogi na assault on the police. Ogi korogo na station. Or give mobilization fee. All that see federal police, you don't need to give police sheshe. You know, na the system. Obu na orders from above federal. You guys will not pay the police anything. Mano onu wana assault, onu wana aku ego gukwo. Ebia nakoro waja ego oji. Jesus. These people were a problem. I trust some Nigeria police that hage rigide go ube ga ifiri iji bia session iga akwugide ugwe fi him no nwe. You know? Others from federal ekwugide ugwe bi na waja ego oji. You guys are going forward. Ndi oji ego oji eme arrest. Ndi oji ego oji eme arrest. You know. Ikugido ugwo bianara waja anasi waja mutu camera mutu video waja na say mutu gomia meanwhile you see that waja kwesike wori 2x2 pia. That video na to mamu mamu je pala say waja mutu no the camera waja no go oh teachers here waja go just set run the police man others from above man no go na akwogo you know mari call na waja na jinja na push keju abuja almost so certain things in natural hiku na life you know. It's not making any sense. What am I trying to say? Justice for waja egoji. This was Obiarant na troublemaker. It's like, oh, we actually join him. In case you want to join me, you can send me a request. Oh, we actually joined him before, but I couldn't accept that request then. Oh, we actually join him. But if you, in case you want to join me, send me a request. I'll be rounding up. So what am I trying to say? For those of you who have been on my inbox, I don't care. Some say, you could about a fan you ba at the home, you could about a fan you ba at the home. Nkeji paki could about umpire wa bogi or dimma. Be on a mother, Sinogun Burumpagi, Sinogun Borumpagi police, Sino na Nesina Esina Mpagi Dinegi. Oh, one. Mpoga no to kill himself. If I knew Banoho to kill himself, on your own Anabia. That is it. Simple. Tihune were hiwe. Unu all chief saga kaje park ewo. Ofuzie saga baboso. So for those of you I don't care. I don't care. I don't fucking care. Auto now part of the body. Auto amu ibu or part of the body. That is just it. That is just it. I don't fucking care. Ufodo umu wanya jadua. Yana hana wabumo ogembu poptase from nowhere. Man kissing all boss lady, man kissing all mirabem, all of them just uptisi umuwanya jadua nagoni ishi everywhere poptase na keep azwa. Omerhanka, ken kunu meruha, ken kunu media.